Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about plot sharing. We can share one or several plots of one account to others to achieve collaborative operation and improve efficiency through plot sharing. And the process. 1. Log into account A in RC, choose Agri Assistant app, choose root, and then choose local. 2. Check if there is a green cloud icon behind the plot you want to share. If not, long press the plot to select it, and on the pop-up page below, choose Upload. 3. After uploading successfully, use mobile phones or computer browser to open the link below. And this link is in the comments area. 4. Select plot. Click List. On the computer, select Plot Management. 5. Find the plot you want to share in the list. Click it and select Plot Sharing. 6. Input the Agri Assistant account B you want to share. Select the corresponding account name and click Share Plot to complete the sharing. 7. After sharing successfully, log into account B in Agri Assistant. Choose Root, Cloud. Find the corresponding plot. Long press the plot and then tap Download on the pop-up page below. Then we can use this plot in this RC. Notes. 1. Before uploading and downloading, we must ensure a normal network. 2. The plot that needs to be shared must be uploaded to the cloud first. 3. After sharing a plot, the shared account must download the plot from the cloud to the RC so that this plot can be used. Above is today's lesson. Follow TopXGun channel to learn more plant protection skills.